Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In today's digital landscape, the allure of making money online has captured the attention of many. Affiliate marketing stands out as a lucrative opportunity, enabling individuals to earn passive income by promoting products or services they love. To embark on this journey, understanding the foundational elements of affiliate marketing is crucial. The first step involves selecting a niche that resonates with your interests and expertise. A well-defined niche not only helps in targeting a specific audience, but also fosters genuine connections. When you genuinely care about the products you promote, your recommendations will appear more authentic, ultimately leading to higher conversion rates. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to build a robust online presence. This can be achieved through a dedicated blog, a YouTube channel, or even social media platforms. Crafting valuable content that addresses your audience's needs will establish you as an authority. When readers trust your insights, they're more likely to click on your affiliate links. Engaging your audience through storytelling can make your content even more compelling. Instead of merely listing product features, share personal experiences or success stories that highlight the benefits of the products. Vivid imagery and appealing descriptions can evoke emotions, making it easier to sway potential buyers. As you grow your audience, joining affiliate programs that align with your niche is essential. Choose reputable programs with products that genuinely add value. Research their commission structures, promotional materials, and support to ensure alignment with your goals. Once you're an affiliate, strategic promotion of your affiliate links comes next. Incorporating them seamlessly into your content is paramount. Whether through tutorials, reviews, or comparative analyses, your affiliate links should feel like a natural extension of the content, urging your audience to take action. Finally, analytics plays an indispensable role in your affiliate marketing journey. Monitoring your performance helps identify what strategies yield the best results. Adjustments based on data feedback will allow you to refine your approach and boost income potential. The journey of affiliate marketing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Patience, dedication, and strategic planning are your best allies. Embrace the learning curve, stay updated with industry trends, and continually seek opportunities for growth in this exciting realm of making money online.